Let's talk about the multiple ways on how to make money with Canva without spending a dime. Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool that you use to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, and so much more that you can actually make money with. Now, I know how to make money using Canva because I've used it with Pinterest for years to drive traffic to my blog, and some work that I've done as a virtual assistant that has earned me over 5 figures in passive income. And just in case my word isn't good enough for you, take it from Yahoo Finance. Hundreds of people are taking advantage of making money by selling digital products, templates, or pretty much anything, and some people are even making it their full-time gig. In this day and age where visual content is king, learning how to make money with Canva is a valuable skill that can help you stand out in this digital world. So in this video, I'm going to share 7 different ways on how you can easily make money from Canva and different ways on how to make money online with no money. So make sure to watch this video until the end because I'll share one of the easiest ways to earn money with Canva in my last tip. And for the products and platforms that I'm mentioning here in this video, I'll put the links in the description so you can easily access them. So let's go. My first tip on how to make money with Canva is designing and selling printables and digital products. People are earning big money right now selling printables. If this is something you think you might want to do, check out my video on how Julie earns 5 figures part-time. Printable products are huge right now, and people love the fact that they can download them in a few seconds and print them out at home. Well, what exactly are they printing? More than likely it's something like this: calendars, art illustrations, journals, planners, budget templates, meal planners, checklists. And picking a niche can seem daunting. So if you feel like you don't know where to start, make sure to check out this video on how I was able to find the best digital products to replace your 9-to-5. Once you've created your templates, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, Shopify, or even your own website. And this can be a great way to build a passive income stream because you're literally creating products once and selling them multiple times. If you want to make the most money with Canva, find a way to focus on B2B and how to serve other businesses because that is exactly how you're going to make the most money with Canva. This will take a little bit of effort to set up, but then you can reap the rewards as people start using, downloading, and buying your products. My next tip on how to make money with Canva is print on demand. With print on demand, you can create designs that are printed on various products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, just to name a few POD products, only after a customer places an order. So you can use Canva to create designs for print on demand products. Once you've created your designs, you can upload them to a print-on-demand supplier platform like Printify or Printful, sell them to customers, and you'd earn a commission on each sale. This is a great way to earn passive income because you'll create these templates once and sell them multiple times. But first, you'll need a storefront. And here are 3 great options to choose from. A lot of people use Etsy, which is probably the most affordable way to create and manage a shop. But depending on your niche, it could take a lot of effort to actually rank for a keyword that is already hot on Etsy. Some people end up paying for ads to place their items at the top of the search results so that their items get more eyes. To give you some context, this shop is a print-on-demand Etsy shop, and this tool allows me to spy on sellers, and in this case new sellers, for me to see if selling print-on-demand t-shirts could be worthwhile for me. All I'm going to do is select product analytics, and I can see that this shop has been open for only a few months, and they are literally earning thousands in revenue each month. If you want this tool and you want to earn money with Canva, click the link in the description to get it for free or to purchase at a discount. Another storefront option is WooCommerce, where you can build a website easily and quickly, like literally in just 10 minutes. And the price starts at just $17 a month. And the last storefront option is to join Shopify. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows sellers to create their own online store. It offers a variety of features to help sellers manage their inventory, process payments, and fulfill orders, which is why people tend to love it so much. The reason why it's a popular choice for print-on-demand sellers is because it integrates with a variety of print-on-demand services, which makes it so easy to set up and manage a shop without needing to handle any inventory or shipping. You can try Shopify out for free for 3 days by using the link that I'll put in the description. The best part about it is that you never actually have to physically touch any inventory. The platform handles all of the production, packaging, shipping, and fulfillment. And if you're feeling a little overwhelmed so far, don't, because Canva has thousands of templates and graphics that you can simply rework or redesign to make them unique. Also, just a quick bonus, if you have a following on social media or a blog, you can always promote print-on-demand products created by others as an affiliate and earn a commission with your unique affiliate link. The best advice that I can offer here is to start with a single niche and expand from there. Otherwise, you'll be overwhelmed and all over the place. My next tip on how to make money with Canva is with low content books. What is a low content book? A low content book is a minimal or no content on the interior pages, so nothing inside the book. Low content books are generally repetitive and designed to be filled in by the user. These low content books include log books, puzzle books, sketch books, music composition notebooks, coloring books for kids or adults, planners, journals, and anything else with pages to be filled in by the user, not by you. Once you create these low content books in Canva, you can sell them directly on Amazon. All you need to do is design and upload your products to earn around $1 to $4 per copy on autopilot. And before you know it, you've earned thousands. Once you've created your templates, you can sell them on platforms like Amazon KDP or Etsy, or offer them on your own website. And if you're struggling to land on a niche like so many other people, what you could do is offer themed pages such as seasonal or holiday themes, or create custom designs for your clients. Now, the easiest way to get started with selling low content books is to use BookBolt. It's the only software that offers you keyword research, cover design, interior generation, and a KDP spy abilities all in one package. It offers you every single thing that you need, and it's one of the easiest ways to earn lots of passive income. So if you're interested in creating low content books, click the link in the description. My next tip on how to make money on Canva is to create social media content. Every single business needs to create and publish content for their social media, like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, an aggregation of every single social media outlet. Some content can and should be repurposed for other social media platforms, and that is exactly where you can jump in. You can easily create engaging posts in Canva for these multiple platforms, and that is all thanks to the library templates and content already inside Canva. You can use Canva to offer your design services to businesses or even individuals who need help creating social media content. Just like Design Pickle, you could offer to create graphics, posts, and even entire social media campaigns. And the crazy thing is, you could charge around $500 a month for these basic and easy to do services. My next tip on how to make money with Canva is to sell Canva templates. Now, I already mentioned that print-on-demand and printables are popular business ideas, but a lot of people lack the technical or creative skills, time, or even the will to make their own designs. And that is where you can come into the picture. There are literally thousands of existing templates on Canva that you can easily make a bundle of designs and sell them to aspiring POD entrepreneurs. For example, on Creative Market, you can find hundreds of sellers packaging their Canva templates for sale. And these are usually priced around the range of $12 to $40. People who are selling Canva templates are using the platforms like Creative Market, Etsy, or even their own websites to get their templates out there. My next tip on how to make money with Canva is to become a Canva YouTuber. If you have a smartphone, Wi-Fi, you already have everything you need it takes to publish quality videos on YouTube. Here's your first video idea. Teach people how to edit YouTube videos on Canva. And you can share Canva tutorials, demos, reviews, or simply use software to create videos on another topic. Ultimately, your channel will make money from YouTube ads, affiliate commissions, sales from your own products or services, brand partnerships. But first, to be monetized on YouTube, you'll need to attract 1,000 subscribers and have at least 4,000 hours of watch time to be eligible for YouTube ads. But you can start sharing your affiliate links right away. There are millions of people earning money with YouTube right now, and if they can do it, so can you. My next tip on how to make money with Canva is to join the Canva affiliate program. If you've been using Canva in your work and it's so attractive that other people need to know how and where you created it, send them a link and you'll earn a commission. You can earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber that signs up with your unique referral link. Even if you don't push it to your audience much and you get one person to sign up each month, within a year you could earn over $400 just for your recommendation. And if you have an existing audience, it's an even easier way to make money. Canva has 3 tiers: free, pro, and teams. So anyone can join and use Canva to make money. In uncertain times like these, it's always best to take advantage of these money-making opportunities while you still can. You never know what the future holds, and if you can earn extra money right now with Canva, why not start? Hopefully this video got your hamster wheel spinning to make money both passively and actively. Which of these ideas stuck out to you the most? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts. And let me know what else you'd like to learn so I can do more videos to help you find real ways to earn money from home.